and so you go ahead and loosen that and remove it so that you get the speed sensor to come out. So you remove that bolt, and then a lot of times you can just do your best to work it free. It's got it to come out. We want to do the best to get it out because, you know, we don't want to have to drill it all out when we get in there to put the new one back in, right? So then just move this grommet out. Just push that out like that. Push this one out that's up here. So we've pushed that one out to get some good access, and take this push pin out and this push pin out, and then you can be able to see we got some clamps up here. So we'll go up top and show you an easy way to push those clamps out. So if you can just squeeze the one side, push it down, you can push it out. Same one over here. Push it out. And there's one more down in here under this control body. So once you've pushed these clips through, you know, found and located to push those through, you might be able to squeeze the clip up there, but it might just be as easy to take the rest of these push pins out enough that you can pull this down and get access to this white clip up here and be able to squeeze it better and pull it undone. And then the whole thing should be able to come on out. And here's the old ABS speed sensor, and then we would go ahead and replace. I'll show you how to do that in a bit.